know better now, and I had to change our part. I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else. I'd rather be beside you in a storm than safe and warm by myself.
Sa letra ng M, mali man ang ikaw ay ibigin ko. Ako'y isang bulag na umiibig sa'yo, at kahit ano